Hey, it's David Farmer. It is about 4:30 on a Friday, and just getting ready to kick off this month. It's right now it's the third of the month. We just finished wrapping up getting all of our dealers' ads created, approved through the OEM, and launched into Facebook. And I thought this would be a perfect time to be able to share with you exactly what ads we create for our dealers and really all the different ways you can advertise in Facebook. And I thought really a cool way to be able to show you this is actually sharing what they look like in Facebook. So what I'm going to do is let me go ahead and share my screen, and in this time I'm going to share my iPhone screen so you can actually see it right here. And I can show it up real quick here. And I just want to take a few minutes, kind of go through some different examples of what these Facebook ads look like. So this is a image ad set right here. This is the images in a carousel type of ad unit where we have the ability to have a customer flip through all of these different ads for Facebook. So we'll build out an ad for every model line that you carry, 10, 11, 12, 9, 8, whatever it happens to be. And then we take those ad specials and we're going to build them out in multiple ad sizes. This one just happens to be the 1080 by 1080. This works great for this carousel type of ad. Now, if this was a real ad, if I were to click through to this, it would bring us to our companion site, which is going to mirror the ad that I'm seeing here and give much more context. And it's going to give conversion opportunities like, hey, I want to schedule a test drive on a RAV4. I want to get pre-qualified for a RAV4. I want to get a trade value for a vehicle because I want to trade my vehicle in for a RAV4. So we have all these conversion opportunities on our companion sites for each of the different ads that we create. All of those offers also build SEO because of the way that we're putting this on your dealership website. Now, so this is a way that we can utilize image ads for your dealership in a carousel. It's a great way to use them. We can also come back here and look at other ways that we can do it. So this is just an image ad. So this is that same 1080 by 1080. You can see it's real nice inside of Facebook, and a customer is going to be able to see this. Now we also have this same version, and let me come here. Boom, 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 boom. Let me pull up another version of this that was actually, I saw this in my Facebook feed yesterday. This is a brand new type of ad that we are running. So you can see here, this is a animated GIF of all of the offers that we're building out for a dealership. So for example, let me just go ahead and play that again. This is just a screen recording of me seeing this ad live in Facebook. We have an animated GIF utilizing all of the different ad specials. We have some other animated GIFs, and I'm going to show you what that looks like in just a second. Let me go ahead and put this here. Let me pull up this. Bear with me. It will be worth it. Yeah, because this is very cool. I'm going to share my iPhone screen again. Beautiful. Okay, so this is also another new ad type that we have. So we're just expanding on the individual image ads. Of course, this is a 1080 by 1080, but this is including a 360 image spin. We're going to build out all of these for the different ad specials that a dealership is going to have, and it's really going to be able to really catch someone's attention as they're flipping through Facebook. So that's a great tool to use to be able to do that. All right, so I'm going to come back here. Let me get back into Facebook. Get back into Facebook here. All right, let me share that again. All right, so let's just go through and pound through some of these other ad types. So in addition to that, So we have all the different ad specials. We're going to run those in carousels. We're going to run them in image ads. We're going to run them in animated GIFs. Lots of different ways to be able to catch customers' attention. And we're going to drive those customers to specific landing pages that's going to build up the opportunity for lead conversion. This is an example of one of our Credit Score Express ads. So we're utilizing a get pre-qualified, get your free FICO score as a call to action to engage customers. Same type of ad we're going to have built out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. We can also even place these on other platforms, but the goal with these is to drive customer awareness about getting pre-qualified, saving time, and then again, driving the customer to specific landing pages that can convert this customer into a lead, specifically our LoanMaker Credit Score Express technology. So that's an example of which one of those look like. We're going to have multiple different versions. We have 10 or 12 different versions of these types of ads that's going to catch customers' attention and drive that top of the funnel activity. So we're going to go out and find the customers. We're going to show them the ads. We're going to bring them into lead conversion tools like we're seeing right here. 10 or 12 different versions for each of our calls to action, such as getting pre-qualified, as you're seeing right there. We can also talk about Express Cash Offer, giving a customer the opportunity to sell a vehicle or get a real offer on their vehicle, whether they're looking to sell or trade. We have multiple different calls to action, including shop by payment, where a customer can get pre-qualified, and shop by real payments. So we can get real payments on real cars, and we're going to utilize these illustrations in your OEM colors with the OEM illustration type vehicles that you're going to see right there. So you can see when we're doing business with dealers, we're going to be building out multiple different ad types. Now, this ad type right here is an AIA. A lot of people are familiar with Facebook for the inventory ads. What's really cool about Facebook when it comes to inventory ads, they've really built out some very specific auto dealer technology to be able to have advertisers like us tap into these tools and be able to leverage this type of ad placement right in Facebook. So this is going to be good for mobile devices, desktop devices. So what they've done is they allow advertisers to take a dealership's inventory feed, bring it into Facebook, create what they call a catalog, take that catalog, sync it up to this ad set. When we advertise, one of the things you'll notice that we do, and actually let me see if I can point to it over here. So this top area right here, and if I go down, this bottom area right here, on many of the automotive inventory ads that you're going to see in your Facebook feed, you're going to see that those areas down at the bottom and up on top are just going to have a white bar. And the reason they do that because the image itself is usually a 680 by or 640 by 480 image size. So it's rectangular in a square size. So what we do is we create a custom frame for that catalog to be able to create a much better looking ad. It's fuller, it's providing more information, it catches your eye quite a bit more. So that's one of the things that we do with our automated inventory ads. Another thing that we do is we tie this to the Facebook Pixel. So we take the Facebook Pixel, we embed that onto your dealership website, and what that Facebook Pixel is going to do is it's going to monitor what vehicles a customer is looking at on your dealership website. And when Facebook has the opportunity to show ads with inventory in it, they're going to try to tailor the vehicles in these ads based on what the customers looked at on your dealership's website. So in a retargeting standpoint, they've been to your site, they looked at a particular vehicle. When Facebook has an opportunity to show them a vehicle, they're going to show them what they have seen before, like you're seeing right here. And there's other things that we do from an advertiser standpoint where we're going to create segments based on filtering the inventory into specific groups based on the types of vehicles, whether it's an SUV, whether it's a small car, whether it's a truck. And then we're also going to tap into that Facebook interest category. So customers that are more truck-oriented buyers, we're going to show them your trucks. Same thing with an SUV and sports cars and so on. So that's another thing that we do with automated inventory ads, AIA, a lot of great technologies inside of Facebook if the advertiser really knows how to tap in and do the work to be able to make these automated inventory ad sets work. So that's another type of advertisement that we do for our dealers. Now, another thing that we do is, as you can see right here, is our messenger ads. So inside of Facebook, you can see that this CTA down here, the bottom right-hand corner, is a send message CTA. The image that you're seeing built into this ad is actually from the Toyota Ad Planner. So it's a very polished ad or image. In this case, we're showing off the Highlander. We have the a person in the image, is what we really like to do. We have a great call to action up on top here, some great text. But most importantly, we have that send message CTA. This is where a customer can reach out to your dealership immediately through Messenger. And dealerships can have this set up multiple different ways. You can man your Messenger system and you can chat with customers directly, or you can sync it up with your chat technology. So our chat partner, CarChat24, we can sync that up with your Facebook account. So anytime anybody reaches out to your dealership through Messenger, it's just like that customer chatting on your dealership website. And again, our chat partner is a fully managed chat solution. So we have that available for you as well. Let's continue to look at a couple different other ad types that we're creating for dealers. This right here features one of our videos. Now, this is designed to be very visual in nature. 85% of the customers that consume video on Facebook do it without audio. So you can see right here, it's a very it's designed specifically for mobile. It's very visual in nature. We're communicating a lot of messages, but this is also done in what is called a collections ad. So the collections ad, what it allows us to do is to bring in a video, and then underneath the video, we can bring in all of your dealership's inventory in a lot of really cool ways where a customer can look through the dealership's inventory and then they can shop right from these pages. So we got that great video that's bringing in all of your colors, all of your logos. It's going to pop up right in your feed. If a customer does have their audio on, we do include audio here. See if I can get that to pop up. Okay, in this demo environment, it's not going to pop up for me, but you get the drift. And if you watch any of our other videos, even my last one, I showed a video of what we do. So this is one of our videos. This is a 1080 by 1080, so it's a mobile optimized video versus the 1920 by 1080, which will also build out for our dealers, and we'll get those placed and optimized for desktop devices, both in Facebook and on YouTube. Now, the last ad type I have right here is just the video itself. So you can see again, and the scale and format really is designed specifically for mobile. Things are readable. I can see what is important to me. It's, again, a lot of visual interest. A lot of your branding colors are going to be included here. I think that might be it. So those are all of the ad types that I have set up, at least for this demo for us right here. Let me come back over here. So in this video, what I wanted to do is I wanted to share some of the work that we go into to build out our Facebook advertising platform for dealers and why it's so effective at converting customers into leads and converting customers into sales. Another thing that I'm going to cover in future videos is the Facebook offline attribution, where we can actually tie real sales, real leads, real showroom visitors to customers that have interacted with ads on Facebook. And you'll be very surprised how strong we can quantify the results between Facebook ad integration and actual net sales with profit. So that's going to be an exciting video in the coming weeks. Again, we're just showing off the collections ads with the video, going into inventory, the automated inventory ads, how we build those out with the custom frames and the different segments. We have our specials ads, multiple different ways to use those specials ads. In the carousel ad, the single image ad, we got those animated GIFs. We got the 360 spin animated GIFs. Another automated inventory ad that I didn't talk about today and didn't show any examples. There's actually 3 different types. We got the collections ads, which we saw. We have the carousel ad, which we saw. We were able to flip through that from an inventory standpoint. And then we also have a slideshow type ad unit where we bring in 6 or 7 different images, sometimes even more, for each vehicle, and it'll automatically go through a slideshow. So kind of a fade in, fade out effect for every image for that vehicle. Really cool automated inventory ad. And we can vary how those ads are being shown to consumers. So we got specials ads, collections ads, service ads, messenger ads, all these different massive ads. One thing that you can do, and I'll leave it with this today, is if you're interested in seeing exactly what ads are being built out for your dealership, go to Facebook. Go to your Facebook page, scroll all the way down the bottom on the left-hand side. You'll see page transparency. You can click that button and then click the Go to Ads library. When I do this for most dealers, I'm going to see that most of them do have an automated inventory ad set created, one, and they might have 1 or 2 others, and a lot of times they're just service ads. We take a massive approach where you're going to see dozens and dozens and dozens of different type of ads, and that is the separation between killing it on Facebook and just doing Facebook advertising. If you like this video, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, if you have anything that you would like me to cover in future videos, please leave it in the comments. You're going to find this video plus many others at entice.com.